What's going on, everybody? It's Cody here with Tactical Traders, and I just want to go over ticker symbol SPCE, and that is Virgin Galactic Holdings Incorporated. Now, this company just blew up today. It went from a share price of $24.80 all the way up to $27.80. I mean, that's a really nice move, guys. Seriously, when you look in comparison, this green candle to the past, I don't know, month and a half, we do have a big green candle right here to match it, and you can kind of see what happened afterwards. It kind of gave up some of the gains, and it's understandable. I mean, the stock is at a very low price still, and people need to take their profits. So I'm not saying that this can't go up tomorrow, cannot break above this 27.80 resistance, because it definitely can, but we're going to go a little bit into it more. So what I see on the daily chart here is, backing up a few months, we did have a double bottom scenario here where the stock hit down low and then began to rise in price and retested that bottom. And they do this. It does this just because it needs to confirm that there is a solid base floor here. And the stock price did continue to rise. And here we created our first trend line where it was at 1733. And from there on, it's been off to the races, from $17 all the way up to $24.72, and then now, as of today, hitting that $27.72 mark, which is pretty impressive. So we're going to go in on the daily. We're going to use the 15-minute chart. I'll scrunch this up a little bit so you can see it better. Now, today it shot up from 24 all the way up to 27 before noon, basically. By 1 o'clock, it was already up here. And then we started to do a little flag. So this bull flag is a bullish continuation pattern. It can continue, but realistically here, I want to see people take profits. I don't want this to just go to the moon already. This thing needs to have a little bit of a breather. But I do have a $30 price target, and I do think that the bulls will try and push this up just to get past the previous high of what it was at, around 27. So if it can continue to go to 30, I do think that it'll top out and probably come back down into a more realistic price range of $24 to $25. And it's already launched, guys. I don't know if you want to chase this thing, if you guys are really big believers in this, but I would honestly just hold off a little bit longer, because I do think there will be a better price in the near future for SPCE. Now, when a trend just starts, I wanted to see it come back again, and this will let me know that I'm getting in at a really good entry point. So I do think SPCE at some point in the near future, maybe a month. I mean, we have earnings on February 23rd, so maybe into 2021, I see SPCE coming back down, maybe in the $22, $23 range, to bounce on this trend line and then continue this ascending triangle pattern. I want this to fill out very nicely. And then some point in 2021, I want this thing to explode. And I know that if it does, it can reach upwards of possibly $50. And that's a $20 move right from 30. So that can be really explosive. If you guys have any other questions on SPCE, like what's it going to do tomorrow, or how can I get into this stock, or where do I short it, join the chat room. We'll be right there for you. We'll guide you all the way from entry, exit to stop loss. And we do this for a living, guys. So we're here for you. You can join the chat room for free. Just go to our website, tacticaltraders.com, and click the link for the free trial. We'll get you in there real quick and ready to go. Now, if you guys have any other more questions, make sure to drop a comment, hit the like button, subscribe. And until next time, stay on target.